Hello everyone! Today, we're going to build a fun Mad Libs game using Python. We'll start by adding a simple comment header to our script to explain what it is. To make it easy to get words from the player, we'll create a simple function. It just takes a descriptive prompt, asks the user for input, and returns whatever they type, also removing any extra spaces. Next, we need our Mad Libs story template. This multi-line string contains special bracketed words like adjective, which are our placeholders for the player to fill in later. A key part of Mad Libs is finding those placeholders in the story. We'll start defining a function to do just that, initializing an empty list for unique placeholders and a position tracker to scan the text. Inside our function, we'll use a while loop to repeatedly search for the opening and closing brackets. If we can't find either bracket at any point, it means we've reached the end of the story or an invalid placeholder. Once we find a pair of brackets, we extract the word inside them using string slicing. We add unique placeholders to our list and then update our search position to continue scanning the rest of the text for more. After collecting all the words from the player, we need a function to insert them into our story template. This function will iterate through each user-provided word and replace its corresponding placeholder in the template. Now, let's create our main play_mad_libs_round function to orchestrate a single game. This function will greet the player, find all the placeholders in our story, and prepare a dictionary to collect their inputs. Next, we loop through all the unique placeholders we found. For each one, we ask the player to provide a suitable word using our get_word function, storing these inputs in our words_for_story dictionary. With all the words collected, we can now use our fill_story function to generate the complete Mad Libs story. Finally, we'll print out the result for everyone to enjoy. To make our game replayable, we'll add a while true loop in our main execution block. This allows the player to start a new game after finishing one, until they explicitly decide to quit. And that's it. You've built your very own Mad Libs game. We'll add a final thank you message and a comment showing how to run your program from the terminal.